Let's talk about most frequently used HTML tags. HTML. It shows the entire HTML document. Head tag. It is used for meta-related content. Then body tag. All the other content which displays to the user comes from a body tag. And then title tag. The title tag shows the title of a document in an address bar. Then headings tag, that is H1 to H6. It creates the structures of heading, depends on the font size and some nominal changes in font variations. Then P tag, that is paragraph tag. Most of the content on HTML document is represented in the form of paragraphs with the help of P tag. Then BR tag, that is break tag. It basically uses as a line break tag. Then HL tag, it's denoted as a horizontal rule. It creates horizontal line on the page. Next, comments tag. The comment tag we use whenever we don't want to execute certain part of code, so we hide them with the help of comment tag. Then link tag, that is a tag is used for linking anchor links. IMDSR, to fetch image in an HTML document. IMDSR is used. B or strong, it is used for making the text bold. It's used for italic. Table tag. Table tag is used for fetching table in an HTML document. Next is form tag. It provides every element related to form like input box, radio button, checkbox, etc.